weak struts, no problem. So as you can see here, the hood is barely holding. It keeps falling down, so that means that your shocks or your struts are quite weak and cannot bear the weight of the bonnet. So here I have a new one. You see here the part number. This brand is called Febby. And you see the part already comes with the grease inside. That's fine. So you can see here I took out the old one, which is actually the original one from BMW. It's already damaged. So to take out the old one, what you need to do is go to this part here, this horizontal part. You see that there's a hole here, right there, where you can put your flat screwdriver and push it up a little bit. Just try to put it up a little bit, and then like this, and then you'll be able to get the whole thing out. Here I was trying to do it with one hand while holding the phone with the other. Wasn't quite easy. Normally it's very easy if you have both hands free. It just comes right off. And in the same way you would use your flat screwdriver to also take out the bottom one. So now that I removed it, I already put the other one, so you can see the bonnet is holding with only one. And now we're gonna put the second one. Just want to remind you that the thick part is to the top and the thin part is at the bottom. The other thing, if you install this one on the top before you put this thin part inside, you'll find that it's not going through, yeah? So you have to put this one first inside and then hook this one up and then put the bottom one. So now I installed the lower one, but just a little trick: if it's not aligned with the ball, you can just lift the bonnet a little bit up, just crank it up a little bit, and you'll be able to align the part with the ball so that it will just slide in easily. Also, I changed my engine air filter. I have a separate video to show you how to do this yourself. It was due change, as you can see. The old one is very dirty, and I'll put the link to that video in the description. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video if you found it useful, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and check it out for more do-it-yourself videos. Thank you, and see you next time.